Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome back to my channel A-Level Guide. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down below your feedback or any queries if you have regarding the certain topic. Thanks for watching. So we are moving on to the next topic, which is precision and accuracy, and driving towards the end of this chapter. First chapter, we have uncertainties after this, and we'll be done with this chapter inshallah really very soon. So precision and accuracy, how close the values are to each other is precision, like how close the readings are to each other tells you how precise the data is. You can use range to find whether the data is precise or not. Like for example, in experiment number 1 we have the readings 2481563. To calculate the range, we have to subtract the biggest value with the smallest one, which I did. 8 minus 1, I got 7. Higher the range is, lesser the precision in the data is going to be. For experiment number 2, you can see 7.8, 8.0, 8.2, 8.4, 7.7 and 7.9. Again, I used range and I got 0.7. So lesser the range, more precision in the data is. Now let's move on towards accuracy. Accuracy is how close the values or the readings are to the true value. Okay, errors. There are two types of error: systematic error and random error. Systematic error cause. This is the error which is caused by wear and tear and any kind of fault in the device or the machine or wrong calibration. To eliminate it, we have to compare it with the standard device, which is known to be true. And in the graph, you can see that if you have a systematic error, you'll have the y-intercept or x-intercept, but the data or the points are not going to be randomly scattered, because this type of error specifically has deviated from the true value by fixed amount. So, and if you move on to the other side, on the contrary, the random error, it is caused by an untrained user or surroundings like temperature, like external factors may affect it. We can primarily not eliminate it, but we can for sure minimize it by averaging, like taking average of the values. Moving on, the graph of the random error is starting from the origin, but it has randomly scattered points. The values are deviated by random amounts from the true value. So these were the differences between the systematic and random error you are supposed to know and learn. I hope you're taking notes with it as well. Moving on, we have an example related to the random and systematic errors. So for the first part, you can see that it's the graph line is starting from the origin, and it has the points are pretty close to each other, so we don't have the random error because they are not randomly scattered, and not even the systematic error because there's not even the x-intercept or the y-intercept. Moving on to the second graph, it's starting from the origin and it has randomly scattered points. So it means that both the conditions are verified. It's a random error, but no y or x intercept is not a systematic error. Number 3, if you move on towards the next graph, it says it's starting from y-intercept, which depicts the fact that it's a systematic error, but the points are pretty close to each other, so it's not a random error. Now here for P3, your examiner will reward you because systematic error is understandable, it's not your fault, but random error is going to be your fault, it's going to be a mistake because you are taking the readings while performing the experiment, so please be careful about that. Oh, the battery is running low, so we have to be quick. The next part says that this graph has both the random and systematic error. The student is definitely going to deduct their marks in the graph question. So I hope you understood the concept of the errors, their types, random and systematic, precision and accuracy. How do you find if the data is precise? By calculating the range. And I hope you liked the video and understood the concept as well. We'll be doing uncertainties in the next video, inshallah. Again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down if you have any question or queries. I'll definitely, inshallah, answer them timely. So see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.